Here we go, world premiere of Bake These Cookies.
Come in and help me bake these cookies, don't you know?
Oh man, that was something. Last week I released my full-length review of SUNO with 5 different use cases, but I had to cut so much good stuff out of that I wanted to release this video showing you from beginning to end what it's like to create a song from nothing in SUNO. Well, let's get started. All right, so the last thing we're gonna look at, I'm gonna go over here to the create section. We're just gonna create a song from scratch and we're just gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna show my lyrical prowess. I'm just gonna make this up as I go along. We're just gonna come up with some lyrics. Hey bro, why you looking through that keyhole, acting like you're invisible? Come in and help me bake these cookies. All right, okay, we're off to a very good start. I think it understands like if you write chorus and stuff, but it has to be in brackets, question mark? We'll find out. If it sings chorus, we will find out. Don't you know it's my birthday? Pour those chocolate chips and yell hooray. We can celebrate together even though you're a stranger. All right, this is getting a little creepy, but that's okay. Let's go. Verse 2, we're doing a great job. Great job, everybody. Keep up the good work. Why do I smell my mom's perfume? And are you wearing my little brother's shirt? I mean, that doesn't rhyme, but you know, it's art, it doesn't have to. You're starting to creep me out. I think I will run away now. There we go. And then let's throw in another chorus in there and bam. All right, so those are some lyrics. Obviously style, this has to be emo. Like that sounds about as emo as it gets. Let's do kind of a Bill Murray vibe. So let's do some like country influences. For some reason, I like the banjo, so let's see. Banjo, yeah. And also let's do some heavy metal riffs and metal drums. Okay, I'm liking this so far. I'm liking this. Advanced options, let's see what we got. Exclude styles, not vocal gender, it's emo, so I need a man. Also, this has to be super awkward because obviously there's a stranger in this guy's house making some cookies with him. Song titled, Bake These Cookies. Create. Let's give it a minute to cook. Let's see what happens. I'm very much looking forward to this. I can see nothing going wrong at all. All right, so it's given me a 2+ minute song. Here we go, world premiere of Bake These Cookies.
chips and yell hooray. We can celebrate together even though you're a stranger. A stranger.
Oh man, that was something. It went a little bit more like Three Doors Down than Bill Murray, which was very interesting. Those banjo riffs were ridiculous. That was hilarious. I really enjoyed that actually. But it made two because it gives you options. So let's listen to the other one, version 2 of Bake These Cookies. Sounds like it's going a little bit more in a minor key here, a little bit more sad.
Hey, bro, why you looking through that keyhole, acting like you're invisible? Come in and help me bake these cookies. Don't you know it's my birthday? Pour those chocolate chips and yell hooray. We can celebrate together even though you're a stranger. Why do I smell my mom's perfume? And are you wearing my little brother's shirt? You're starting to creep me out. I think I will run away now. Why do I smell my mom's perfume? And are you wearing my little brother's shirt? You're starting to creep me out.
All right, so there it did the verse twice instead of the chorus. I definitely like the first one better. I don't think either one of these is necessarily very emo, and I don't know why just kind of like generic rock voice is like Three Doors Down guy. The first version, I did like the little down chorus it did. That was pretty interesting.
Think I will run away now. Don't you know it's my birthday? Pour those chocolate chips
That's kind of more of a Nickelback move right there, honestly.
and yell hooray. We can celebrate together even though you're a stranger.
I really enjoyed that first one. Look, quality is not great. You can tell it's AI. There's kind of artifacts all over the place. But for generating this from what little information I gave it, it is very entertaining, if nothing else. So, is that something that I would put out on Spotify? I wouldn't, but maybe somebody else would. Does this make me a musician? Absolutely not. But a great lyricist? Perhaps. Maybe. I don't know. All right.